Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the middle of trying to clean up my nail room and I have a bunch of stuff in from AliExpress that I haven't showed you guys. So yeah, this is gonna be another haul video, but the last haul video for a long time because I've got nothing coming from AliExpress. So yeah, I'm sure it won't be my last, but for now I'm taking a break, so to speak. So some of this stuff has been like coming for like forever, so let's just get into this. These are AB rhinestones in all different shapes, very large ones in here. I hope you guys can see because I don't want to open it and make a whole lot of noise. So, oh wait, I'm messing it up already. These are ABs and these are just plain silver. Of course, I will link everything I bought in the description box below. Now these are obvious. These are acrylic powders, colored acrylic powders. I figured I'd get some more to make some more of my own dipping powders with it. So yeah, very, very handy. This is a polygel. Okay, I have to open this. Hang on. Oh my god, it's not moving. Come on. Wow. Okay. So this is the polygel. It's the Francesca polygel in clear, of course. No ingredients, if anyone wondered. So not a clue what's in here. But this will be a future test. I've got some clear practice tips, and these are actually oval because most of the practice tips are, let me grab one, are like square like this. These are actually oval, so that was kind of interesting. Some more rhinestones. These are multicolored AB, like blue and pink shine. I don't know if you can see that. Very, very pretty. And it came in 3 different sizes. Stunning. Okay, this was so unexpected. This was, I saw some of the nails with like the mermaid effect, the wavy effect, so to speak. And I was like, oh, it would be nice to get some to practice. And I got this whole huge, like, I don't even know how many nails these are, but this is insane. And it looks like it's all the same size. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not like you can make a full set because they're all like fairly large, like, yeah. But still awesome to practice with. I'm curious what any of the chrome powders will look over nails like this. I think you can make some stunning designs. Okay, so these are some glitter. Oh, they're actually mixed. I don't think I knew that when I bought these. They're glitter mixes, not really mixes, they're just a little semi-medium glitter with a very fine glitter. Oh, look at the hollow on that. I thought these would all just be like glitter hexies, but I guess I was wrong. Anyway. Okay, you might think, is that it? No, there's a lot more laying around here. I got some more Rosalind dip powders. I actually ordered a set of 4. And let me just get them out of there. So these are 2 glitters and 2 just colored ones. These are colors. This is so me. This is really me. So this is color D121 and D116. Very, very pretty. And these are glitter ones, so I'm really curious to see how these will work. It's actually a blue holographic glitter. I don't know if you can see the hollow in here, but it's there. Not very, very obvious, but it is there. And a silver holographic glitter. So, yay! Oh wait, let me show you the names. D161 and D164. So this was just like a set of 4 that I just got in ones. So I didn't order these separately or anything. A funny story. I ordered another dipping kit by a product I did not know, and I got something totally different, and I think I know where it came from and stuff, but it's just so weird. I remember these little pots from like back in the day when I used to order glitters and stuff, and so yeah, they leaked and they're very messy, and it looks like 3 gold ones and 3 pink ones, even though one is like almost empty and another one is completely full. They feel like dipping powders. I haven't tested them out yet. I was just in a lazy mood and I didn't like let the seller know that I got something I didn't order, because I ordered just 1 dipping powder and I got 6. So I figured, like, you know, you can't complain about that. So of course I will test these out to see if they're actually dipping powders. They just feel very, very gritty, and they look a little shimmery and stuff, but you see the shimmer on my fingers now? I don't know if you can, but yeah, so, but of course I don't have the base or activator or whatever to go with it, so yeah, that was a little bit odd. Okay, but I got a true dipping powder set, dipping kit, and I'm so impressed with it, so I want to show you. These are from Coscilia. This is the brand. Came with a nice pamphlet to show you exactly what to do, and you know, that's always nice. So I bought this kit with 8 different powders and all of the, let me show you. Yes, here we go. With 5, with just a complete dipping system, and they look really, really nice. So this is the prep, which will probably be a dehydrator. This should be the base. He's gonna come out of there. Come on. Oh, this is top coat. It's not really in the right order. That's okay. This is the brush shaver. A base coat. I'm really curious what the last one is going to be. The activator, of course. We haven't had that one yet. So it just looked very, very nice. These bottles are 10 ml, which compared to this one is 7 ml, so it's not a whole lot of difference, but it just looks nice. It looks really, really nice. So yeah, these 5, it was a set of, yeah, 12, 13, I don't remember. So these are all the powders. A lot of them look the same. I haven't tested them out yet. There are some shimmer glitters in there. Let me just start at the beginning. So this is a pink one, number 3. This is a gold glitter, number 15. This is, I think, a silver shimmer powder, number 14. I don't know if you can see the shimmer or the silver, but That's what I'm saying. From afar, they're all pretty much the same, but they're not. This, I'm really curious about this. This looks like a chrome powder to me. A silver chrome. And this is number 11. So this is a red glitter. Number 13. This just looks like a white. It could be a clear, I don't know. This is number 4. This looks like a off-whitish. It has a hint of blue or green in there. And I don't know if you can see, but it also looks very like pearl. Like, this is number 2. And this looks very like neutral kind of color. This is number 5. Okay, so that is the Cecilia dip kit. The jars look exactly the same, like the Born Pretty ones and stuff, but the bottles look totally different. So yeah, interested in that. Okay, I got a few more sets of nails at Primark, not a whole lot. They had some false nails to practice on. These just look very, very pretty. And they're so affordable, so these I do really want to wear. These are like the ombre French. I can't do this myself. Like, honestly, I've tried so many ways of creating like a baby boober nail, and I just can't do that. I don't know why. These are the matte teal nails. And again, totally my kind of color, aquamarine. I didn't even notice it, but like when I got home, I realized I actually put 3 of these in my basket. I don't know why. I didn't do it on purpose, so, but yeah, a lot of nails to practice with. And I found something interesting, and let me know if you guys want to see me try these. But these are false nail applicators. I've never tried or used anything like this, so I'm not really sure how it would work. Of course, it doesn't come with instructions. But yeah, I'm guessing these are just like... But you know what? These might be handy if you're like trying to do like a DIY apres system kind of stuff. I don't know what I'm saying, but let me know if you want me to test this out, and I will on camera. So, oh, such a mess. I really need to clean up my nail room right now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.